Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here today. Guess what? It's here. It's finally here. I have my winter Causebox for 2020. Let's get into it and see what we've got. So I know, you're saying to yourself, Kathrin, aren't you posting spring 2021 spoilers? Why, yes, I am. This box we did the customization for at the end of November of last year. We also did our marketplace orders at the end of November for last year. And some of us still don't have them. I know that there are still some people out there who still don't have it. It has taken the better part of 3 months. And in the spoilers videos, I have said, if you are thinking about doing Causebox, I love it. I highly recommend it. I like the products that come in it. I think they're useful. I like what the company stands for. If you know you and you feel impatient of not receiving a box within, like, say, a month of when you pay for it, which you totally should, this probably is not the box for you. This took 3 months to get here. And I still have a marketplace item that I don't have that I paid for at the same time. I agree. That's completely unacceptable. I really like the products that I chose though. And when they get here, I will be so happy to have them. So for me, it's totally worth it. But just know going in, if you think about subscribing, like as you watch the spoilers or as you see me unbox this, they're having some shipping issues. So if that matters to you, then this is probably not the box right now for you to subscribe to. That said, if you have any interest, I will put my link below that will get you $10 off your first box. But you go in forewarned to have your Zen on. All right, this is a big box. It's very square and big. I remember what I picked. I don't remember anything being particularly big, but let's find out. Causebox is $54.95 per season if you pay seasonally. If you pay annually, it comes out to $49.95 per season. You generally get 6 or more products. If you are an annual, there will be customization choices, kind of like the spoilers that we're doing now. You will have some customization choices. If you are a seasonal, then they will make all of your choices for you. I'm gonna go ahead and glass up and look at this. Yeah, it looks like this has been retaped. So in addition to everything else it went through, I would say that at some point this box has been opened. So let's see what's going on in here. All right, when we open it up, this is gonna be hard to lift, admittedly. This is a big box. When we open it up, that's what it looks like on the inside. I'm gonna set this back down. It's super heavy, and like I said, I don't remember what I chose. It was really heavy. And right on top, we have our Causebox book, and that will tell us a little bit about each of the products that I chose, probably a little bit about the product, and then also probably a little bit about the company, which is what made it something that Causebox would want to put in their box, because they try and work with companies that in some way help the environment or help get people jobs, that kind of thing. Right on top, the only thing we can see is my sweater. This is another slightly disappointing reason that it took so long to get here, is I ordered this back in November, and now we're basically at March, and I don't need the sweater as much, but I ordered it, and this might also have not been a great choice, but it was my choice. I ordered it in the plus. When they said, I know, I'm only an extra large. When they said they were coming out with it, they said, if you would like it in a plus, just send an email and we will get it to you in a plus. And it worked really well. We emailed them, we got emails back saying, you know, we hear you, excellent, you'll get a plus, no problem. Now I do know that some people have received their boxes and they did not get the plus. I did, as it appears, get the plus. Oh, it's so soft. This is what it looks like. You know what, I'm just not even, I will put a picture of it here. This is so big, I'm not even going to take it all the way out. This is threadandsupplycompany.com. It is so soft. And it has pockets, and it kind of ombres down to a darker color, and it's just an open front cardigan. I'll put a picture up. It's really pretty and incredibly soft. It does fall into the category of things I would have liked to have had for the winter though. And this was in choice 1, and it says Thread and Supply Cozy Cloud Wrap, $115 value. With its downright cashmere feel, you probably would never guess this wrap is made from recycled plastic water bottles. No. You would not. It is incredibly soft. The Cloud Soft sweater pairs well with socially distant dinner dates or cozy nights in. Made with 100% recycled polyester, estimated 4 million 690,000 water bottles diverted from landfills, equivalent of saving 648,159 pounds of carbon dioxide emission, and 434,000 liters of water saved. So that's why that made it into the box, and that is why I like Causebox, and despite the shipping issues they seem to be suffering, I stick with them. If you are an annual, you could have chosen between that and the Rose & Fitzgerald Brushed Gold Kettle that had a $98 value. And it says a stovetop statement and your new pour over coffee BFF. And that's a picture of the two of them together. If you are an annual, you could have chosen between the two. If you are seasonal, you would have received one of the two. And next, I have it right on top, so I will take it out. We have the Reusable Silicone Baking Mat 2-pack. And again, something I picked and I will absolutely use. With everything going on now, I'm baking way too much. I mean, I'm baking way too much. And I have a Silpat, but I'm hesitant to use that for my savory items because I don't want to take a chance on messing it up. And I thought, well, this would be perfect because I can just put this in the bottom of my cookie sheet. Like when I'm doing a 1-pan bake and I put chicken and potatoes and everything down, this way it won't stick. It'll make cleanup so much easier. We have two of them, one in the nice gray and the other in a nice sage. But that's what they look like. Oh, that one has a little flower on it. I don't know if I can, oh, there it is. Not showing this great. There we go. It feels like really lightweight silicone, and I like that they rolled up so they'll be easy to store. Honestly, I figured I could probably store one right inside the other, kind of roll them up together. Activated Eco Reusable Silicone Baking Sheets, $18 value. For budding bakers and pastry professionals alike. Make cleanup easy with these silicone baking sheets and say goodbye to single-use aluminum foil or parchment paper. I use a lot of parchment paper. I try not to use aluminum foil. 100% food grade, BPA-free silicone. Save an average of 18 rolls of baking paper per year. I don't use anywhere near that much parchment paper, just saying. I mean, you'd have to use more than one a month. Yeah, no, I don't do that. The other thing in this category that you could have received was the Boone Supply Reusable Zip Pouches, and they had a $22 value. Take a little for the road with these reusable zip pouches in 5 different sizes. And this is what they look like. So that's the two of those products together, so you can see them. And again, if you were an annual, you got to choose between those two. And if you are a seasonal, they chose one for you. Next, right on top on the box is every season you get a postcard. And it's just, it reflects back to the artwork on the outside of the box, which they always hire somebody to do the new artwork for the box. In the back is just a postcard. A lot of people frame these or they keep them in a booklet. I have them. I think I have all of them. I have never done anything clever with them. But this season's artwork was from Celia Amrun and Aline Kapad. I probably did a really bad job saying both of those, but that's who did the artwork. Next we have, and everybody got this, it is the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Essential Face Toner. And that is what that looks like. And the paperwork says it has a $30 value, gentle and refreshing. This isn't your average toner. Made with extracts like witch hazel, truffle, and rosemary, this toner removes bacteria and cleanses your skin naturally. Created with Mediterranean botanical extracts, sourced in Umbria, Italy, vegan and cruelty-free. I'm going to set this aside. I have plenty of toners, and witch hazel is not my face's favorite product. Next out of the box, and this is probably, if a person were to get annoyed at the fact that it took so long to get this box, this would be why. I chose, and this was an option if you were an annual, the Idlewild Company 2021 planner. And it is a January through December planner, and I am receiving this at the end of February. So I have already missed 2 full months on a planner, which sounds like no big deal. I mean, okay, it is no big deal. It's no big deal. In the realm of all of the problems in the world, it's no big deal. But you had 2 options at that point. To go without a planner for 2 full months. You can't do that. I can't do that. Or to purchase another planner. So now I have a planner. This is what it looks like. They're really nice planners. When you open it up and it's tabbed, let me show you. It's tabbed, so you have each of the months And when you start a month, you have a full month to show. And then when you turn that page, you go into week to week, and it shows, I hope I can, here, let me fold that back. Hope I can show it to you guys. It's very, very lightly printed. Hope that shows. It's this square is a day. So the 2 pages together make a week. I mean, I love a planner, but I couldn't live without one for 2 months. This says, Idlewild Company Yearly Planner, $32 value. Feeling organized, inspired, and ready to take on 2021? Start the year with some joy through pretty design details and thoughtful layouts. Woman-owned and operated, swaps biodegradable materials for plastics, designer run. Or you could have chosen the Soon Skincare Peony Foot Masks with a $45 value. Give your toes some much-needed TLC. Ingredients like licorice, so that wasn't an option for me either, and ginger root, smooth and spoil your feet, helping to restore and nourish your soles. So I would not recommend going forward, even if you decide to take on Causebox, I would not recommend selecting something that is so timely. Next, and I am super thrilled to have this, is the Etitude Travel Beauty Pillowcase, $25 value. This bamboo-based pillowcase just might feel more silky than silk itself. Minimal, sophisticated, and intentionally designed, Etitude elevates sustainable living with a dash of luxury. Made from 100% bamboo, Etitude's clean bamboo is made in a closed-loop water system that reuses 98% of its water in future production cycles. I mean, that's fantastic. And I am super happy to have this. I have silk pillowcases. This does not feel like a silk pillowcase, but it is very, very soft, and I love the feel of bamboo. I actually picked up an Etitude, I want to say in a FabFitFun add-on sale, and I liked it so much that when we had this option, I did get this one to travel with. So like when we go to Disney World, that seems bigger than a standard though, I will say. That seems huge. It is super soft, and these, if you've ever thought about picking up any of the Etitude bamboo products and you like the bamboo products, they feel fantastic. I mean, they truly feel fantastic. And you absolutely didn't have to pick this to travel with if you just wanted a bamboo pillowcase, because it does treat you kind of like silk. It's a little less wrinkly, it musses your hair a little less, so it's easier on your hair when you sleep. It does say that it's standard. I am surprised. It seemed longer than standard. If a pillowcase did not speak to you, your other option in this category was Maggie's Organics Heathered Slouchy Socks, and they had a $25 value. You've probably heard of fair trade, but Maggie's Organics takes it to a whole new level. Made with cotton, these heathered slouchy socks fit like a hug for your feet, yet snug with incredible elasticity. Why organic? Cotton is grown on 3 to 5% of the world's cultivated land, and yet uses nearly 10% of the world's pesticides and 25% of the world's insecticides. And so organic can't do that. So that's amazing. And again, that's why, despite some of their shipping issues, I stick with Causebox. All right, and last but not least, I have, this is from Zeal Living, and they are going to be marble coasters, and it says empowering artisans through sustainable job creation. And these are wrapped so well. They were in the box, which was wrapped in another wrap, and now I'm taking them out of bubble wrap. And then in the bubble wrap, they are in a little paper. Oh, that's pretty. It's just a pretty nice marble coaster. 3 little feet on the bottom. I ordered through the Marketplace add-ons when I placed this order, and they haven't come yet, a brass coaster holder for these to set down in. They are so pretty. I like that a lot. As I'm looking at it, I'm thinking, I wonder if I should give them to my mom. They look so much more like my mom than me. So you got a set of 4 of those. Zeal Living Marble Geo Coasters, $42 value. A sophisticated coaster set that pairs with coffee or a cocktail. Zeal Living connects African artisans with shoppers around the world. They sustainably employ over 9,000 artisans in 17 African countries, and the coasters were made by 60% female workforce. And because I didn't show you earlier, that is the pillowcase and the socks. And then these were the 3 choices that you had in this one. And it was the marble coasters, the Sanctuary Project thick gold hoops with a $38 value, or the True Moringa Rejuvenating Body Polish with a $34 value. All right, That was the Causebox for winter 2020. Was it 2020 or are they calling it 20? Nope, they're calling it winter 2021. Good idea. Okay, so let me know below what you think. Do you get Causebox? Have you had yours forever? I know quite a few people got theirs quite some time ago. I think Jess over at Everything Proof put hers up quite some time ago. I think I just didn't have great luck. Thanks again for coming by, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to be here so very much. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and let me know below what you think. This was a $49.95 box because I pay annually, and I got the sweater, the baking mats, the calendar, the toner, the travel pillowcase, and the marble coasters. And the value of my box was $262. So well worthwhile and great products. We just need to work on those shipping issues. All right, guys. Bye.